Hello all, how's it going? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a review of the Scosche BTFREQ cigarette lighter MP3 player for your vehicle. I picked this up earlier today, just so my car can have, some music, instead of listening to the radio every day. Alright. So, this is the box that it came in. And this pairs with your phone using Bluetooth. It also works with Siri and Google Assistant. Right, uses FM. It comes with two USB charging ports, so you can charge your phone or whatever you have along with this thing. And how this works is you just simply put my phone in. And how this works is you just plug this into your cigarette lighter, like so. And after that, you want to find an FM station on your radio that doesn't receive a whole lot of reception. Like, you want to turn it to a station that gets a lot of static, if that makes sense. Or, a station that, something like that, alright? And it can be any station, it doesn't have to be a particular number, alright? So, like, for me, my station is set to 93.9. Alright, so let's say you want to set this thing to 93.9. Alright, so what you do is you press this button here one time, like that, and you want to turn this knob either left or right. Press it one time, left, right, right there, right? And you got it set to 93.9. So now what you do is your radio is set to 93.9. That's set to 93.9. Right? So what you do after that is you want to go to your phone settings, turn on Bluetooth, and you'll want to pair your device to something that says Scosche BTFREQ. Alright guys, so once you plug in your audio device, you got your station tuned in to whatever you have. Mine is set to 93.9. And you want to pair your device to your Bluetooth. And how do you do that is you just go to your settings. You then go to find your Bluetooth settings. You then want to turn on your Bluetooth. And you want to look for that Scosche that's displayed right here on my screen. Alright. Good. Now your device is paired. Then, for example, you want to listen to music on YouTube. It should be good to go then. Alright. Alright, y'all. And for making phone calls, it's pretty much the same. You just go to your phone, dial, and call whatever or whoever and whatnot. Alright guys, that concludes my video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.